How strong are dad's genes, really? It's not just about determining the baby's sex. Dad's genes quietly influence so many traits. Whether it's a boy or a girl, one height. A child's height is a team result from both parents. But in many cases, dad's genes take the lead. Want to guess if your kid will be tall? Take a look at dad. 2 hair from color and thickness to curly or straight. Your baby might just be a mini version of dad. 3 facial features. The nose, forehead, jawline. Dad's signature features are often passed down so clearly, you can spot the resemblance instantly. 4 skin tone. It's a mix from both parents, but many times the baby's skin tone leans more toward dad. 5 hands and feet. The size and length of hands and feet. These little details can also carry a strong dad imprint. 6 personality. It's not just genetics. How dad behaves every day has a big impact too. A short-tempered dad might raise a pretty strong-willed little one. What trait does your baby get most from dad? Drop a comment and see if it matches.